Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your promotion success with eBay, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your promotion success with eBay, start by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the Seller Hub from the main menu. Once in the Seller Hub, look for the Marketing tab. Click on Promotions to see an overview of your running promotions. Select the specific promotion you want to review. In the Promotion Details, find the Performance section. This area will display key metrics such as impressions, clicks, and sales generated by the promotion. Take note of the total sales attributed to the campaign. Next, check the conversion rate to see how many clicks resulted in sales. Analyze the data over a set period to get a clearer picture of its effectiveness. If you created multiple promotions, compare their performances side by side. Consider factors such as items promoted and the audience reached. Use the Reports section for deeper insights into your promotion's impact. Here, you can view additional analytics like traffic sources and customer demographics. If results aren't as expected, evaluate your promotion strategy. Consider adjusting your promotional offers or targeting specific audiences. Finally, document your findings for future reference and strategy refinement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.